Well, everybody knows eating a good diet is really important in your life. And sometimes finding the foods can be complicated. This is Tom from Tom and Ruth Healthy Lifestyle. So today I'm just going to give a simple recipe that I actually found, and hopefully you guys will enjoy this. And I'll narrate this today and give you ideas. So today, how about making what they call a breakfast quesadilla, one of my most favorite meals. Is this healthy? Well, it's healthier, right? Basically, it's 1 teaspoon of olive oil, garlic, and then add zucchini. But you can add just about any vegetable you want to have in your quesadilla. You have spinach that is cleaned, of course. You just cook that to the fullest. Now, looking at that zucchini doesn't look done to me, but you could easily have zucchini. Then what you do, you take a couple of eggs and break your eggs in and beat them in scrambled eggs with your quesadilla. The thing about having spinach and the garlic and some of the things is it makes such a good, vital day that can enhance your day considerably. Having good cooked zucchini, if you can find it. I can't find it here in the Philippines, but you can find it anywhere else, I'm sure, in the world. It's just not something that's grown here. But you can use squash, maybe butternut squash, if you can find it, or what they call Philippine squash, which is a real big squash, almost like pumpkin. But you can actually dice that up, put that in, and it would be really good. You take a normal tortilla, uh, just a flour tortilla, tomato paste or tomato sauce, and you can actually this is your own judge on what you want to put on that. Some people may want to put some type of salsa or something like that on there, even a green salsa, and add that onto your dish. This is a simple dish that you could easily do in probably 7 to 8 minutes. Then you add all your ingredients to this uh, particular tortilla. Now, this tortilla, I would suggest probably a 10 inch. You can do an 8 inch or 6 inch tortilla depending on what you would like to have. And of course, mozzarella cheese. You got to have plenty of mozzarella cheese. There actually is some low-fat cheese that you can actually use, or eliminate the cheese. I'll just eliminate the cheese. Jalapeno is something that you can add. Add jalapeno to the dish, and then basically you're set. The thing about this dish is so easy to prepare. You make a couple of these, and then of course you toast them, and then you cut them accordingly. And you can add. Some people add a little salsa to the top of that, and you can have that a little sour cream if you wanted to. Actually, you could have put some sour cream in it to have that as you were finished up the touches. But as you can see, how simple a simple dish like that can be prepared very easily, very quick, and it gives you the all that you need to have a good, vibrant day. Uh, the thing too that I want to say is that a lot of times what happens is finding the right foods and finding the right things to eat can be complicated. Here in the Philippines, a gentleman told me this morning, another foreigner was telling me this morning, the food here, depending on where you live, is what they call existent food. Existent meaning it keeps your existence in life. You may not find the things that you want, but there you have eggs. You can make your own tortillas. You can actually find avocado when it's in season. You can add avocado. You can actually use squash. You can actually use onion, depending on the diet if you're on a diet. Um, White onion or red onion if you can find it, or yellow onion if you can find it. And add those to the dish. Will give you a good complete dish. This is a short video today. I wanted to do this. One guy says, "Well, how do I cook an easy meal?" Well, here you go. You can buy tortillas at any Robinsons or any store. You come in packs of 10, and you can get a 6 inch, 8 inch, and it's really simply to do. They're already prepared. They've already basically almost cooked tortillas. You can actually eat them. They're just flour tortillas. Then you toast them. They're ready to go. And toasting is depending on what you like to do. But it's such a simple meal to do. This is the type of food I grew up on. Being in Arizona as a child, my mother didn't always have the foods there at the house, and she would feed us maybe biscuits and gravy or something. And after a while, we got tired of it. she would we would eat tortillas, and this she would make this for us, and because it was so easy to make, and she just make a big thing of eggs with vegetables and have salsa on the side. Very easy to make. Little olive oil, salt and pepper, onion, tomatoes, and that's it. A little hot sauce if you want to add it in there. And that's what I grew up with. So I want to thank everybody for watching my videos, and thank you so much for always staying true to Tom and Ruth Healthy Lifestyle, and Philippine Adventures, and Almost Channel, and Ruth's Channel, and Weekly Gospel. Did I miss anybody? Oh, I did podcasting. Yeah, I have all these multiple channels.